Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm here at Agincourt GO station and I'm waiting for northbound GO train to pull into Agincourt GO station. We're gonna see 12 cars of train heading to Mount Joy, and we're gonna see an MP40 locomotive, and we're gonna see a full 12 cars train. So I'm gonna pause the video until the train comes.
Your 1428 Stouffville northbound train to Mount Joy is arriving shortly at Agincourt on platform 1 and is 12 coaches long. Stay well back from the yellow line.
Votre train de 14h28 Stouffville en direction du nord à destination de Mount Joy arrive bientôt à Agincourt sur le quai 1 et est composé de 12 voitures. Reste bien loin de la ligne jaune.
Okay guys, I could hear the horns. Okay, I can see the train is coming. So we have an MP40 locomotive. So we have MP40 locomotive, we have MP40 engine, we have MP40 locomotive 659. Pause the video until the train leaves. Okay, doors are now closing. MP40 659 is departure at Agincourt GO station heading to Mount Joy, pulling 12 cars of train. So there goes MP40 659. Cap card 303, and they go all the way down to Mount Joy. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna see you a bit while. So